Welcome in to Haps Cycle Sales, where we've been family owned and operated since 1948. Are you looking for stock OEM parts for your motorcycle, Honda or BMW, maybe Triumph? Well, we'll take care of you. We're the largest selection of OEM parts around. And right now, we are having a buy one, get one 50% off select off-road, BMX, and motocross gear, as well as a buy one, get one 50% off all casual wear, new or old, that's in stock. Must be less than or equal value. Oh, and mark your calendars because our 74th anniversary party is on October 22nd, 2022, where we will have vendors, food, and live events. And before we go, we just have one question for you. You do ride, don't you?